Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Living Uniquely You. Myself, Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Monday morning. This morning, I'm bringing in the spirit animal guide, the elephant, to help us move forward. So what's happening at the moment is a lot of people, including myself, are getting stuck and we can't seem to move forward. And there's so many obstacles and there's so much different energy coming in that we can't seem to navigate around what's going on. So I'm bringing in the beautiful spirit animal guide for this week to help you overcome and go and able to maneuver around the obstacles that are in your life. So there's obviously something that's going on that's creating the obstacle, so you can see how you can remove around it, how you can overcome this obstacle, how you can ask for the solution. So see things from a different perspective, allowing that energy of the elephant to stand behind you and help you move forward with full flow and ease. So it's no more pushing and shoving. So it's taken, maybe you need to just take a little step back, connect in with that beautiful spirit animal guide, the elephant, and ask them how to overcome what needs to be overcome. So I'm just going to bring in the energy of that beautiful elephant. I'm going to ground us as normal, and I'm going to bring in a bit of light code. So just taking that deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time, and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So you're unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, unhooking and unleashing. And all the way back, just all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So allowing you drop in to you. All the way into you, just dropping all the way in. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything, and letting go of that energy of expectation, whatever that looks for you, dropping that energy of expectation. And breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, and right down into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into the whale, the inner city, the dolphin, and into that earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down, right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into your rightful place, feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring in your energy. Fully anchoring in your energy, and feeling the second part of the grid come up to fully seal in your earth star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from Source, pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D. And allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness, oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your earth star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you to drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point, where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing yourself to fully drop into you. I'm going to call in the spirit animal guide, the beautiful elephant. See, sense or feel that elephant, the energy of the elephant standing on your right hand side. They're going to place their trunk on your shoulder. Know that they are supporting you. So I want you to think of something that has or is that you just can't seem to let go or move forward from. Just bring that thought into your mind, allowing it drop into your heart and allowing the elephant to help you see your way forward. So just listen to the guidance of the beautiful elephant. Nanana siapatana nakatele, anana siapatana nakateya siapatana nakata siapatuye siata. Allowing you to help you overcome this situation or this obstacle that's in your way. Kanana siamata nanote yamadana siapatuye. Nanana siapata, or allowing you just to fully let go of it. Kanana siapatana nakatele isiasa patayana nakatele iana siapata. Maybe you need to hand it over. Kanana siapatana nakatele iki. Kanana siapatana nakatele uchi. So listen to the guidance of your beautiful spirit animal guides, the elephant. Kanana siapatana nakayata. Noya basi de kuya dana di ke si dayata. Oye, 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 oye. Panata sia patana nakata yata sia patite. Nyananana sia patana nakata yata suye. Manana sia patale ichi katu site me kananata site. No, sia pata. The elephant will walk with you as you overcome this obstacle. Kanana sia patana nakatali ichi sia patana nakataya sia patana kataya. I know that they will walk the path with you. Kanana sia matolo onye te bana tuka si siata. Boye. Nieto. Yeta sapapa loche me ke kasuya. Now the elephant is going to give you a beautiful gift to help you overcome whatever's going on, and it symbolizes something. Nanapa siapa. Denene siapa tuye. Tiapa sita ke ya su. So just feeling your chakras being spun 3 times to the right, kanasayapa lone yete, and 3 times to the left, kanasayama tale ke kote, and 3 times to the right again, kananasa so ye yata. Konanasiapata. I want to thank the spirit animal guide. I'm just asking yourself to cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor that energy in. So just allowing that elephant to walk with you this week and allowing you to overcome what you need to overcome to be your true divine self. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. Of course, if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. And there's information on my page about my retreat in Cornwall. There's still a couple of places left. So have a magical day, guys, and thank you for watching this. And remember, you are the most important person in your life, and stay in your own lane. Take care. Bye.